This is On Tilt Trading with the live crypto market close analysis and Bitcoin trade strategy. Today is July 3rd, 2025. Currently, I am in a long position in Bitcoin. I'll walk you through what we have going on here on the daily. So these purple lines are swing high and lows on the monthly and weekly. This yellow line and this yellow line indicate the structural range currently on Bitcoin here on the daily. And then today we get a breakout here of yesterday's high. Also seeing that yesterday had a reaction from this swing high or low here from this, or let's call it a reaction level. And then we can see today here there's been price has been delivered to the buy side here, but this candle closed below this intermediate term high here. So if this candle, today's candle closes anywhere above this level here, there will be a market structure shift here. Also here you can see this blue line trading above the white line here. The blue line signifies the 9 and the white line signifies the 18, and these are exponential moving averages here. And the 9 trading above the 18, that's a sign of strength or bullish price action. I would expect price to be delivered to the buy side. If it's the reverse and the 18 is above the 9 or 9 below the 18, then I would anticipate price to be delivered to the sell side. So buy side delivery I would expect on Bitcoin currently. And then up here on the 60-minute, well actually down here on the daily, also seeing the potential here of this being an order block, and then this candle from yesterday validating this order block here. So this also to me would be an indication of price potentially being prepared to move higher. And then here on the 60-minute, we can see here there's the trade that I'm currently in. I'll walk you through what I have here. So I want a trade within my designated trade window. So my designated trading window right now is ideally between 8 a.m. and what would that be? 8 a.m. and 11 a.m. New York time or Eastern Standard Time would be my ideal trading window. Potentially trading maybe an hour later or so, depending on the day or the price action. But ideally want to see things happening within the range of 8 a.m. To 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So that's happening here. You can see if I zoom in, this being the 8 a.m. candle, 7 a.m., this being the 6 a.m. Candle here. So I get an entry here at 6 a.m. here, or at least this is the area where I'm looking to trade in, or where I would look for my system to give me an entry signal. And then I want to see a moving average crossover in the direction, or I want to see a moving average crossover. So there's a moving average crossover right here. So this is the moving average crossover that I'd be trading off of. So this would be anticipating buy side delivery. And then I would want want to see a market structure shift or break of structure or an optimal trade entry. So what we have here, price action wise, let's go over this here. After the crossover, actually let's go with the initiation of the crossover. This crossover initiated from this price action here. You get the crossover, pull back to the non-EMA, and then a break of structure up to this level. This was yesterday, and then some retracement, and then here during the London session, there is another break of structure up here. So this is the break of structure that I would want to see, and then I set up the Fibonacci retracement tool once I see this break of structure. So this meets my criteria for break of structure, and then for entry, I'm looking for in this situation, since there's already been a break of structure prior to my trade window, I'm going to be looking for pullback to an optimal trade entry. If this were price action still trading within a range, and then let's say to break out of the range at some point within my designated trading window, then I would wait for or set a limit order for pullback at that point. And I'm setting my limit orders for pullback here at the 62% level here, which would have come in here at 109.150.6. My entry here 109.150.1, so was able to get a 50-cent better entry price on slippage here. And then my stop loss originally was below this level here, this 108.486, which is the low of the current range, and my stop loss was 108.480.4, so a 10-cent spread on Bitcoin. I give it a 20-cent stop loss. So getting the entry here at the 62% level, price coming down and testing past the 79% level, trading back up, reacting from down at that level, and then price being delivered to the buy side here, and then sell side delivery in these two candles. With this sell side delivery and this price action, after seeing this type of buy side delivery and then seeing this fail to close above the range and fail here as well, being concerned about at least the failure of the trade. I don't mind if the trade fails, but whether or not the trade is successful or fails, I want to manage my risk accordingly, and if I can reduce risk at any point in time in a trading situation, I want to do that. So in this situation, using this level here as an intermediate term low here, stepped my stop up from this level up to this level, because if price were to break below this level here, there's nothing stopping it from getting to here, and I would I would expect there to be a higher probability of price trading through that level once this intermediate term low is violated. So I moved my stop up to this level, you can see here. So this candle, the low is 108.706, and my stop, you can see here, is 108.705.8. So again, a 20-cent stop loss here on a 10-cent spread. And then for take profit, it's going to be easier to see on the daily. So here on the daily, you can see here my take profit. let's see my take profit before here. So the high here is 111,957.1. My take profit is 111,830.7. So this trade idea is based off of a measured move off of the Fibonacci retracement, which places this target here. There's going to be a liquidity pool right above this all-time high of buy-side liquidity that I would assume that whatever institution may be behind this particular trade wants to tap into here. So my measured move would get me getting out just before the all-time high is tested. So today being the day before a holiday or the market being closed, today is a half day. So the close just happened, and now we're rolling into after hours here or post market. So this position is likely, if it is successful, would likely happen over the course of the long weekend. If it is unsuccessful, it may happen over the course of the long weekend as well, or fail here pretty soon. But if this candle here can close above, or if this candle, the current candle here, this 1 p.m. candle here on the 60-minute, if it can stay above this candle's low, that would make it a swing high and give it a higher probability of further buy-side delivery. But this could be, this trade could take a few days or less. But I'll keep an eye on the price action and see how it goes. If there is another break of structure, I will adjust my stop accordingly, which would, if this holds and this price action continues to the buy side here, then this swing, if this turns into a swing low, this would be where I would move my stop up to if there's a candle that's able to close above the current structural week high for a break of structure. But I'm seeing the potential for the crypto market to have price delivered to the buy side over the course of this 4th of July holiday weekend. But this is On Tilt Trading with today's live crypto market close analysis and Bitcoin trade strategy.